Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So really quick, I just want to show you these braids that I have in my head that I did. Now they took me about like 5 hours and they are box braids. I know I used the packs already, so it's this brand. I bought 5 packs, but I used about like 4.5 packs of the hair. So the braids are pretty big. They're not super jumbo braids, but they're thick, honey. They're thick. The cool thing about this hair that it comes pre-stretched, so that's really good. And it is like really so easy to braid with. The cool thing about it is the hair comes in so many lengths. I believe the longest that the hair comes in is 30 inch, but I don't know how long this one was, but I'll show you how far it goes on me. So it goes like past my butt. So I'll put the leave-in condition cream on there first, and then I would put some of the curling cream on there. And took it a little old school, which this stuff works really good on my hair, so I just love it. I use some of the Blue Magic hair grease and I just put some on there. Now I only use this on the front row, but it was the Eben 24-hour edge tamer. And I usually love the purple one. I just really love the purple one, but this one's really good too. Looks like this. They're pretty long. They're not super tight. I didn't do them really tight. They just feel like in place, so I'm good for a while, probably like a week. This hair is really good, especially for braiding. Oh my god, like I dropped it. But and then also I've seen some people using this hair to actually do a crochet, and it looks like it'd be good for crochet hair. I don't know how it would tangle, but it looks like natural hair. So this hair is really good. It's so good for braiding. Like, it's already stretched. It's not like you have to go back in and like do extra stuff. No, you just pick it up, part it, and start braiding. So if you have any questions about the hair, leave it in the comment box below. And until then, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.